guys, so today we replace the battery and the charging port on a Samsung S22 Plus. So basically I've heated the phone up, and what we need to do now is take off the back glass. So I've already taken off the SIM card from here. So basically you need to make a small gap, so I use a blade just to make a small gap in the phone. So what I find good is the gap is more better to make when you have the buttons close to it. So make sure you don't slip it, otherwise you're gonna get a cut. So put your tool in it. So once you have this gap, what you can do now is insert your plastic tool. So just lodge it in slightly. So you just need to get a 2mm or 3mm inside the phone and work your way across to getting it off. You should be having a few more of these tools, so it helps to make some leverage, and try and just work my way across on the back cover. So just be careful that you don't crack it, otherwise you'll have to buy a new back glass. So basically once I have most of it off, what I can do now is simply push it towards me. There you go. What also works is if you put isopropanol on the sides, but I'm used to taking it off this way. But if you do have problems, then just use isopropanol and put it on the sides of the back glass. But even this one seems to work pretty well for me. And yeah, if you're doing it for the first time, please do take your time, and I want you to be aware of the flexes underneath the back glass. So please do pay attention now. So when I take the back cover off, this is how it looks, and that's your back glass. You can take off this glue, and if you don't want to take this part off, you can cut the glue from here and from here, and then you can use the other glue. But if you do want to take it fully off, then the glue is under the camera lens as well. So let's keep this on the side. I do want to let you know, or put some more light for you guys, so I hope this looks better. So when you put this tool in it, I started from here, correct? And you see the flex here. You don't want to get underneath this flex, so you should be getting your pick somewhere in this range. Please be mindful of that. Also here, now when you come this way around, if you go too deep in, then you can damage, or even if you go too deep here, you can damage this flex if you use a metal tool. This is your wireless antenna here now. So if you damage this, your phone will stop charging because it's all linked to one. Especially here as well, this is your coax cable. It's more to do with your network, how you get signal on the phone. So this cable is connecting to the charging port and to the main board. I'll show you in a bit. So basically what we are doing now is replacing the battery in the charging port. So we are going to take this part off. Alright, so quite simple. I have ordered a new charging port for the repair. So this is how the charging port looks. When you get a new charging port, this is for the microphone, so don't forget to take this one off or you won't have sound. So that's the hole over here. So I'll keep this on the side for now, and this is the new battery I've ordered. So it comes with all this adhesive. So this is a genuine battery. So first thing first, let's disconnect this flex connector. So be a bit careful. Why careful? Because there are components on the sides. You don't want to damage them. Your motherboard will get damaged. So be careful. Try and take it off from the top, middle of it. And this connector, try and take it off from the bottom, because there are no components on the bottom side. You see? Try and focus it for you. You see? Okay, now it is easy. Take off the screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 screws. Okay, so this is an in-depth video. I'm not skipping anything for you guys to do the repair along. So this screws also need to come. So this is your loudspeaker. I'm just going to show you how to take that loudspeaker off. A like and a subscribe to the channel would really help me. So please go ahead and hit the like button and the subscribe button. It will help me to make more videos like this. So now we need to take this one off. So just ever so slightly take it slightly back, and now when you're pulling this, sometimes it will lift off. Sometimes this one comes off with this, but if not, then I'll show you how to take it off. So just take your blade. There's a small arrow here, so just put it in and just take it up. There you go. Quite simple. That's your loudspeaker. Okay guys, and now we need to disconnect the battery. Disconnect the power button flex like this. There you go. Now we need to disconnect this flexes. So again, you need to pay attention now. So there are components here, so I will try and take it off from here. Okay, just make a note where the components are not there, especially here as well. It's easy from the bottom, it comes off. Here also, please be careful. There are components, so make sure you note where I'm opening it for. So I'll be opening it from the small angle here, this one. So just click and lift up. There you go, if you can see. Okay, and then disconnect it from here. There you go. Same thing for this one. You can do it from this side or from this side, but this side seems more better, so I'll take it from this side. You see there are no components over here, and now over here there are components for the LCD. So try not to use the leverage of the components. So just insert your tool and lift it up. So this is your LCD flex that goes on the side. Now what we need to do is remove the battery. To remove the battery, I have isopropyl alcohol, so we need to try and put some alcohol on the sides. So what this does, it loosens the adhesive on the battery. So put them on the sides. There you go. Now keep it for about a few minutes. Okay, so this was our new charging port. It's quite good and clean. We can take off the screws and leave this adhesive to come off. So this is the adhesive which is there in the bottom. Okay, the white bit. So this has to loosen up. So now we'll take the 3 screws off, which is holding your charging port. Take off the screws. It's quite easy. Just pry it off. Make sure you have taken off your SIM card from this one, from the bottom. So this will leave it here. Now we'll leave it for another 2 more minutes for the glue to become soft. Now friends, the glue is probably loosened up now. So what I can do, I can use a flat metal tool. It's quite sturdy. So I just want some leverage again. So from this side, I'm going to lift it ever so slightly. So I'm just going to see where it is lifting up. Try not to pierce it because it can catch fire. And it's best to do the work on a battery when you have phone percentage is less than 10%. Alright guys, so now I'm slowly trying to lift it up, trying to loosen the adhesive, and also be mindful of the fingerprint sensor on the LCD. So now you see I've got some leverage here. Now at this point I'm going to insert my plastic pry tool, so something like this, and lift it up. So there is less chance of me piercing the battery with a plastic tool. So I'm just going to push it upwards without going too deep over this region. So this is your fingerprint sensor, and you don't want to put your tool and stab it here, because your fingerprint won't work. Also you could damage your LCD, which will be expensive repair. So just take the battery off and try not to splash the alcohol on the camera lens now. So keep your hand and then pull the battery off. Okay, now what we need to do is dry off the excess alcohol which is here. So I'm just going to use a tissue paper and dab it and make sure there's no liquid in it. Now this liquid is fine because it evaporates. It's more like an alcohol, 100% alcohol. Please don't drink it. It's not drinkable. So now you can either leave this as it is because there's no bumps in it, so my battery will fit nicely on it. But if you do want to clean it, you can clean it. But I'm fine to leave it as it is. So I'm just going to put my new battery in the phone. So the guide for the battery folding is here. There's a line here on the battery. So let's fold it. First you can press down on the battery so you know that the flex is properly aligned. Once you press it down, then you can press down the battery so it makes a nice seal. There you go. It makes a nice seal there. So for now I'm going to disconnect the battery again, and I'm going to connect the connector under the battery. Okay, now let's put the new charging port. Make sure you've taken off the protective covering on the microphone. So put this one in, press it from the top at an angle, and then align the holes. If you can't align them, use a screwdriver and make sure you put it in and press it down on it. Alright, the 3 screws, put them back on the charging port. There you go. Now the remaining part is connecting your flexes. So make sure you align them and then click on them. If you don't align and you click on it, you're gonna damage the connectors. So same thing here. The click sound is music to my ears, guys. So same here, connect it. The sub coax cable, same here, align it first and then press it. Now you might have to get used to it when you align and press. For me, I've been doing this many times, so I'm quite used to it. For you, just take your time, go through the video again and again if you have to. It's an in-depth video, and again, please do like and subscribe to support me. And this is the screws which go down. And guys, there you go. It's quite easy to fix if you take your time. Put the screws. So it's almost done. Just have to put the back glass on it. It's quite simple for the back glass. You use a new adhesive if you have, or if you have a double-sided tape, you can use a double-sided tape. But you should be aware that when you use a non-genuine adhesive, the phone will not be liquid resistant, so it will compromise your liquid resistance when you fix it yourself. Okay, I'm almost done here. Just going to put all the screws. I've also noticed that this one is not gone properly, so just press it down. And there you go. Once it's finished, what we need to do is put the back glass on. So when you put the back glass on, make sure you align this on the top, make sure this is dust free on the lens, and then align and then press it down. Okay, time for the test. I'm just going to connect my charger here and make sure it is charging. Once I have the charging symbol, it will charge. There you go guys, the phone is charging and it should be turning on as well. There you go. Just going to press the power button to turn it on. There you go. Friends, thank you for watching and please do subscribe. Cheers, have a good day. Bye.